If you're no longer using Spotify and want to delete your account, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete your Spotify account so you can move on to another music streaming service. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to say goodbye to Spotify. So the thing is that, there is no option to delete your account in the Spotify app. You can only do it through the browser version of Spotify. So to do that, open up any web browser that you like and then go to spotify.com. And then tap on these three lines at the top right. And then log into the Spotify account that you want to delete. Once you have logged into your account, tap on this gear icon at the top right. And then simply tap on View Account and it will load up this page. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap on Support. And then scroll down and tap on Account Help. Once you are on the Account Help page, swipe through this and tap on Account Settings. And then tap on the third option, which is Closing your account. After that, simply tap on Close your account. And then finally tap on Proceed to close my account. And then when you are on this screen, tap on Close my account. This is a bit tedious, but it is what it is. And then tap and select the option that says Delete Account and My Data. And it will send you an email to confirm your account closure. So if you currently have access to the email address associated with your Spotify account, tap on Yes. And then where it says Do you want to continue, tap on Yes. And it will send you an email to the email address associated with your Spotify account. So let's exit out of here and open up the Gmail app. And as you can see, this is that email. So now all you have to do is tap on Close my account, and your Spotify account will be deleted. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.